everyone, my name is Empress Jane K. Pascual and my partner
Winnie Jane Labrador.
Today issue, we talk about agree or disagree. We have two issues. First discussion, studying grammar is more important than practicing conversation skills.
Second issue, alcohol should be illegal.
I'm agree. Alcohol should illegal and that's not safe to our health. You partner?
I'm agree. Alcohol should illegal and this is not avoid to children. I disagree because you can study but if you can you partner.
I disagree for that question because studying both are so important. And that's for all. Thank you for listening. And again,
Balik.
and that's all. Thank you for listening. Again, I'm Empress Jean K. Pascual and my partner
Winnie Jane Labrador.